My name is Ryan and I'm a part-time trader. So this channel is just a trade journal and educational breakdown of how I approach the markets. This is not financial advice and I don't sell signals. So the purpose of starting this channel is actually to document my trading reviews, my trading process and my decisions so that I can learn from it and become a better trader. So hopefully the viewers can also benefit from my learnings as well and to improve as a trader. So this is just a funded certificate that I got from the 5%ers, which is a company that gives you a capital to trade under their name, and then after passing their challenge, so you actually get a profit split of 80 to 20. So in future videos I will just cover the program on what they offer and how I made it through the challenge to secure the funding. This is an example of how future trade reviews will look like. I trade mainly on the GBPUSD, which is the Great Britain pound against the US dollar, on the 1 hour and sometimes on the 15-minute time frame if I see any extra opportunities. So later I'll provide screenshots and you can have a look. So I trade using price action and session based concepts. Basically, you will see there's different kind of sessions here, namely Tokyo, London and New York. But I'll explain this in future videos to keep things short. So I focus mainly on higher time frame buyers, which is the direction that we are trading today based on the 1 hour and daily levels, which I'll explain in future, liquidity and also the execution during New York session. So New York session is around night time based on GMT plus 8. So yeah, most of my trades are actually short term and rule based. I don't aim to catch every move and I wait for specific conditions as shown in the previous few minutes. Right, so if the trade idea is not clear, I will not take it. There are other days to trade and to get money. So the main thing is to just slow down and to focus on your rules. So if you are here to learn on how to think in terms of structure and execution, you will definitely find this useful. So as you can see from my chart, Sunday 7 December up till 14 December right here, there's only a total of one trade here and another trade idea here. So there's a total of only 2 trade ideas a week maximum, sometimes 3, but mostly it's 1 to 2 trade ideas a week. So me and my mentor, we zoom in onto clear trade ideas that give us confidence to execute, and that's where we all get our money. So to us, trading is not entirely guesswork. There's some kind of analysis involved and you make those analyses based on your data and your research. So whatever trade ideas that I share in this channel are specific to Great Britain pound USD. It's not really applicable to other currencies, it's not really applicable to stocks, it is just purely on this pair. So just bear that in mind. So this is a screenshot of my trading idea that I've taken on 10 December 2025. So this trade was taken at the close of this candle and it was market execution. Yeah, and the reason why I do screenshots is also to journal the thought process, the emotions felt, and things that can be done better and things that are done well during the trade itself. So this was at the beginning of the trade. This was during the trade where it showed a certain number of pullback in the form of this red candle, which I felt some fear, but stop losses are there in place. So it is important to remind myself that stop loss are present to invalidate your idea. They are not a way to tell you that you lose and that will spiral you to negativity. These are all part of the process. This is all part of the data, all part of the backtesting data that you have gathered as a trader. So losses are inevitable. However, the trade reverse and reach trade profit. Yep. So for closing, I think this channel, or rather, as a trader, I want to focus as much as I can on quality over quantity. I only take maximum 2 to 3 trade ideas a week. So during the trade idea itself, there's 1 to 2 trade opportunities for that specific idea. So actually, the amount of trade that you get is very adequate, and process definitely is more important than profits. As long as you can nail the process right, as long as you work hard, gather data, and stick to your trading plan, I'm sure anyone can be a successful trader coming from a average person, coming from an average salary worker. So I really do hope that I can inspire those people that are trying to do better in trading through my journaling.